Hey guys, so today I'm showing you how to make slimes. Right back. First you really need a bowl. Then next you really have to mix with. I'm just gonna use my hands. Then next you're gonna need water. I just had to put some water around. Next you will need contacts. And then next you will need flour. Let's get to the video. First I'm just gonna get my water, get my bowl, and let's get flour. Just gonna you can put how much you want, but so much. Next you need the water. Just put a little bit water. And just play with it. I don't care what you play with it with, but you play with your hand, a spoon, something, just something. And if it just still like flour, just put a little bit more water. And if it's still like that, just hit a little bit more water. Next, you will need eye contacts. Next, you will need water. Just put a little bit more water. Then you just play with it. It should be slime. And I hope y'all have a great day.